Medeniyet Leri Islam Museum. Apa? Museum? Nah. Dia ambil gambar sini. Guys, 1, 2. Jom. Wah, tangga dia. Kita naik tangga. This is okay lah. Comfortable weather. Eh? Ni apa? Masjid apa? Wow, check out that view. View of this mosque is massive though. Besar gila siap. Oh yo. These arches teringat sih dekat ni, dekat Spain kita pergi. Spain lah. Apa? Portugal, there was one mosque. Dia kata dia ikut macam visit kat Mekah. Asal ada net kat atas tu? Nampak tak? Babe, do you see the net kat atas tu? Asal ada net Ada burung lalu
We are in the older courtyard, this balcony side. You have to see, especially from that corner, Bosphorus and the first bridge from where we came. And exactly the opposite is Jumla Gate or Uludag Gate. Uludag Gate. Also the direction for food to towards that direction. I want to give you half an hour is okay for visiting.
More than enough.
And I think you can remember again from getting out from the Uludag Gate.
Sejuk duk. Nyesal nak pakai jaket besar. Tapi dia sekejap masa kat atas lah. Lawa duk dalam dia tengok. Macam dah. Okay, kita ambil gambar sekejap lawa duk. I think you can see the whole thing now.
Civilization, the plenty or coming many from one for the multiplicity of the family civilization, yeah? Or Barakat.
Dia cakap ambil gambar daripada sini atas nampak macam rambut-rambut.
And bird palaces also both sides. Yeah? Exact bird palaces.
Wow.
Small miniature houses.
Wow. Look at that view. Wow, will you look at that view? Oi. Ketut kat sini mak. Ayah. Cantik tu tempat dia. Okay, and go. Oh, welcome to Turkey. Oh, okay dah, bye bye. Sejuk. Nyesal tak kerja besar. So we are going inside. Don't know whether we are going inside. Where's our guide sih? Mana dia pergi? Where's our guide? Pintu. Baby.
Masuk dengan
Gambar saya.
Kat mana?
Saya di kat bawah tu.
Asal buka skrin? Depan sikit. Okay. Okay dah, jom. Where's your cover?
Cover saya kalau saya zoom out 2 times nampak.
Then sure, bring another cover.
Ya.
Okay. Pakai wide angle best sekali.
Awak.
I saw. Is this mosque still functioning? Yeah. Sejuk Alamak.
bawa langsung masuk.
Korang ni cowboy ya. Tok Tomina tu nak plastik bag dia. Wah. Ini kalau azan ni. Kuat.
Terus.
Haru. Macam haru. Macam haru lah. Hey. Ini? Ini?
Oh, ambil gambar saya dengan dia.
Okay, kita dah balik ke van ke bus. The place was good, very cool. Ambil gambar, macam-macam gambar best. I will post together with the gambar later. You all tengok ya, later or maybe together with this video lah. Korang tengok. Kalau korang suka ni video, korang subscribe. Kalau tak pun korang like. Kalau tak pun dua-dua. Okay. Okay, jaga traffic. Okay, dia cakap we will travel berapa? 1 hour 40 minit. 1 hour 40 minit for food tasting to a location yang kita boleh makan-makan. Ayah sibuk dengan kepala kambing dia. So ayah tengah check. Bring us there. So it's a long drive around the streets. The expressway, don't know whatever it's called. Entahlah apa benda. Semua tengah sibuk, baru dapat wifi dalam van. Fiza dah start lah, dapat wifi semua gone lah. Oh, you very rude eh? Oh.
And also it depends of your interest. You can taste everything. You can buy everything here from Minura, yeah. Also, very famous also over there. Expected, and some there's special production selling in Grand Bazaar, but they are not so. Sorry, Spicy Bazaar in Istanbul, but they are not so successful because formalized already secret way. Some of them they try, but they never. My guess they told me mostly from Malaysia and Indonesia. They told me all the time they never catch the same taste.
The bigger one is 20 gram. Couple, one couple for 3 months. With 10 gram we will give you 2 gram as a gift. With 20 gram we will give you 5 gram as a gift. Now if you want to take for big families, I advise you to take the bigger one. Why? 30 gram actually, I will give you with it 10 gram as a gift directly, and with 50 gram you will take 20 gram as a gift. So 40 you pay 30, 70 you pay 50. And this sizes is for 4 person minimum. You can use it for 8 months. Saffron, it doesn't have expiry date. Olive oil, honey, also same, doesn't have expiry date. Now guys, if you want to buy anything here, actually the prices is written with Turkish lira. But if you want to pay, you can pay with every currency you have. We accept lira, dollar, euro, ringgit. We accept everything almost. Also we accept cards, no problem. If you don't have any of these, we accept iPhone, iPad, Samsung, cameras, glasses, back, all of this, no problem. Just buy saffron. Kidding. Now, guys, for everything here, sorry, just 1 second, please. Everything here as a product, you can take buy 5, 1 free. Bili 5, 1 percuma in your life. Thank you for your listening. If you want to try saffron tea, feel at home, enjoy it. And prices is all fixed actually, but we have the promotion.
Okay, this is saffron tea. Dia campur dengan madu. Kita tengok
Actually,
panas.
if you calculated this one, it will be for 1 gram almost 100. Kasih apa sih?
Very tangy.
50 gram multiply 300 for 1 gram.
Oh,
It
sir.
will be 15,000. But you divide it for 100 gram, 70 gram.
Macam rasa getar kan? Tidak.
Bunga memang ada wangi. Saffron water tea. Berapa? Berapa?
Tak tahu.
Adik.
Mana dia tak kenal? Untuk mana sih? Alamak, handphone tak datang ambil kan? Tak apa,
Dah ada ke? Berapa lama pun dah simpan kotak tu. Mana kapal? Korang beli apa?
Kak, beli tu kan? Kak, mau kak? Ha?
Betul?
Ni?
Betul?
Tak lah, aku tak tahu dia
Dia
beli
keluar kan?
Apa tu? Ha? Dia punya kotak
Ni
dia.
sampel je.
Yang kau punya botol mana? Ha? Yang kau punya yang kau bawa ni.
Ni dia lah.
Mau kak?
Dah tak kuat lah problem.
Dah tak berapa.
If you say too much, they make it low. Story? Yeah.
Strong.
Apa je lah.